If you need to add links to your text in Squarespace, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you all that you need to know to get it done. Let's dive straight in. So we're going to go and jump into one of our pages here. So let's just use this page and let's just click on edit on the top left. And what you can do is go down and find some text. You're going to click on that text box, and here you'll see a little pencil icon. You're going to click that, and now you can edit. So it says, what should we know about this product? What I'd like to do is just go make sure that my cursor is there, hold in shift and select the text that I would like to have that link as. Now in this menu right at the top, you'll see there is a link icon. Let's click on this, and here you can add in a URL, a link, a search, or a file. You can also link this to internal pages, as you can see here, but also you could also go and choose a file, an email, or a phone number, so that this text, when it is interactive and it's clicked on, it'll be redirected to any one of these items that you add in over here. It's quick and easy, and make sure that when you're done, you're going to go up to the top left, click on save, and your changes will then be saved.